Our journey so far through the Armanen runes, especially with the rune Fa, has actually been quite interesting so far. You might think, but those are very simple things, but we have looked at breathing techniques, we have looked at mantras, we've looked at meditation, we've looked at using the rune Fa to reduce stress. So reduce stress, improve your luck, and create some calmness for yourself. Those are things that you can do with the rune Fa, and we've shown the basic rune techniques. The techniques carry over from all the other runes, and we will cover them with time as we go along. The thing we haven't really spoken about yet is that there are two additional things, and that is what we call starter or rune yoga, and that is where we physically start to embody the rune and we close the gap between the mental and the physical. We often just stay in the physical and then nothing manifests, nothing happens, and people ask why not, and that is because we do not create or foster or cultivate that connection with the body. Now there are two techniques. The one is the hand mudra, which is a hand position for Fa. It is basically just the thumb and the middle finger pointing outwards and the inner fingers in an alignment with each other. So it creates the rune Fa that you will see as a symbol. The other one that we use is the starter, which is rune yoga, and it's very simple. It is basically, if I go back, Fa would be just standing up straight and lifting up your hands, the left hand at top of the right hand, and that will give you the rune Fa, and you hold that position just for as long as which is comfortable. So you basically just stand with your feet square. I can't show you now, but you lift your hands up straight, the left hand a bit higher, hands slightly tilted upwards, and you hold that position as the rune Fa. We will talk more about the difference between these two techniques and what we do with it. For now, it is worthwhile to just, if you want to experiment with it, stand in the rune Fa or make the hand mudra, and then just again like you would have done in the breathing, rather than now focusing on Fa and visualizing it, you focus on the hand mudra and you breathe in Fa, and you feel the energy streaming down your fingers into your body. How that works we will discuss later, but for now, if you want to practice it, if you want to increase that element of luck that we've spoken about, if you want to increase that element of relaxation, to cultivate a calm enthusiasm, try to use the hand mudra or try to do it standing in the Fa position.